What's up, team? I hope you all guys having a great weekend. It's RP here. I hope you all are healthy, and I hope you all banked some money last week. We had a good week. The week before was good as well. I made last 2 weeks about around 400 grand and 400,000. And yeah, now let's switch over to the gold, because in this video I want to show you how I made around 80,000 in like I think it was 4 gold trades on Wednesday, and then I've closed some on Thursday night as well. So it was a 13-hour session, but I will cut it down in a few minutes and show you what I did. So this is the 5-minute chart. Let's go over to the 1-hour chart and let's see what we had. The movement of the market, what we had. First of all, it was coming down, then it was kind of consolidating, and then I was ready and just waiting for the breakout. If it goes to the upside, I wanted to buy. If it goes to the downside, I wanted to sell. So I think this was the days before. So I bought that one. Then it came down for liquidity grab again, and then it started moving upward, and then we had this resistance level over here, then it came down again, and then we had new highs. So this resistance level was broken, and this resistance level was broken as well. So let's go to the smaller time frame, the 5-minute chart. Let me see what I did. A very simple trade. I was just waiting for the pullback to the horizontal level, to one of the two. So I expected a pullback to this level and a pullback to this level. This is where I wanted to get in. So I was checking the market and see what the market does when it comes to that price area. And yeah, let me show you what happened. So price, I've told you guys, I've sent you the analysis from gold, that I got these 2 buy zones who are in confluence with my Fibonacci's as well. The first zone was around the 38% level, and the second zone was around the 61.8% level. So price came down to the 38% level, and this is where I was scaling in at the first time. Then I think this was when I was getting in. I thought, yeah, this was when I getting in. Let me show you the original trade. I've recorded the trade as well. Give me a second. This was trade number 1. So this was my entry. As you can see, it came down, and when I saw this that the momentum was shifting, so first was the sellers in control, then the buyers took over, and this was when I wanted to get in on the up move, and my goal was to close around that area. Now let it run. You can see my entry, but you can see that I'm closing it. Yeah, on top of the move. This was the goal. So yeah, you see the buy limit orders. I was waiting for market to maybe give me a better price. So if it would dip a little bit more, I would have more risk for better price and more potential profit as well. But yeah, this trade was running perfectly. The first 2 entries with low risk, I was just testing waters. They worked out very well. And then, sorry, I have some I like beef from Poland, from the trees and stuff like that. Oh wait, let me get back where we are. I think we're here. Okay. So yeah, I had some trades running, and then price was there, and then the trade number 2, let me show you trade number 2, guys. Trade number 2 was like, I was watching it and waiting for the breakout, and then we had this breakout, and then I was scaling in again. As you can see, I've speeded it up, so the video is moving a lot faster. So I saw a clear breakout, and the potential target was, for me, in my eyes, on the higher time frame, it was a lot higher. So we had a lot of potential, and I just wanted to get in, catch the move when I see sellers stepping in, first people trying to sell their orders. I want to get out, bank the profit, wait for another good entry, boom, step in again, you know. And this is what I did on that one as well. So yeah, it came down, and I took another position, some more, and then it was finally moving up again. But then I saw this rejection on top of that, and then I was like, all right, bro, it's time to get out. Fuck it, we sell it and just bank the profit. Because as you can see, it came down again. It was a quick in and out, guys. So it was really on a daily basis on a 5-minute chart. First, I do my analysis on the higher time frame, see where we got the level, where we have to check what price action does, and then I go on the 5-minute chart and let the candles tell me what to do, if I need to get in or if I need to get out. This is what I do. And this is what you're gonna learn in the Genius Trading Masterclass course as well, how to read candlesticks, how to read the story of the market. Because what we do is we see what's happening, and then we react to it and ride the waves of the market, okay? And especially on the smaller time frame, it is very, very highly profitable if you know what you're doing, if you're good in this. Most traders, they hold their trades too long when they're playing the smaller time frames. I mean, when you are in the game to trade the smaller time frame, then you want to step into the game and get out as soon as the move is over. Then you wait for the pullback or trade the counter trend. Wait till it's over, booms, close the position again, get in with the buy again, and just riding these waves between the trend channels and all that stuff. Yeah, this is what we're gonna go over in the course. Now let me show you trade number 3, the gold trade. What I did, price was coming down and I was scaling in again. This one is a little bit longer. Then it came up. I was like, all right, now let me try to get a move, because I was thinking this thing has to move further, you know. I was just waiting, then it starts kind of consolidating, but I was holding it. For me, it was clear, gold will push through. And then we finally cracked all that dumb shit over here. And then I was checking, okay, can we get to newer highs, or are the sellers stepping in again? I was checking the 4-hour time frame. You see this potential. I wanted to try to move up to 1,730 or something like that. That was my goal, but I want to do it step by step and participate in every move. So when I got a move, boom, get out, wait for the pullback, get in again, boom, and, you know, maximize my profits on the way up. So this is what I did. But yeah, when I saw this thing is kind of slowing down again, as you can see, market has some rejection, didn't really take off. So I was like, all right, fuck it, let me close this. Okay, so bam, I've closed this one as well. This was a third trade. Now let me show you. Let me click this. What we did over here. So we had this consolidation, forking around, and it was finally breaking through. Then we've closed something and stepping in again. Okay, let's see what we got on trade number 4. This is trade number 4. This was the one that I've held for a longer time, because session was late, momentum volatility was slowing down a little bit. But yeah, I was getting in, set my buy limit orders, so if the market drops below, I wanted to be in with a bigger profit. Then it kind of failed to new highs, and then it made something like a quick liquidity grab, falling down again. Then they have fucked some buyers, stopped out some buyers with a liquidity grab. Yeah, and then I finally had my full position inside of the market. As you can see, this was the level of support last time, and this was what I was waiting for. I wanted to get in here again when everybody is thinking, okay, now it's time to drop, it's time to drop, and I was like, no, it's not time to drop. They just wanted to fuck some buyers, and gold is moving up because in times of a crisis, gold is always going up, you know. And then, yeah, that's why I was really patient with this one, because it came down again for a double bottom, and even then I think we had a small liquidity grab as well. So it's still this trade. Yeah, and then I think it was in midnight hours when I was closing it. I was closing it right on top, like something like this. Yeah, this is when I closed the trade. So yeah, that was a pretty nice move, and I was really patient with this trade, because this was after session. I think it was on Thursday. The session ended on 11 p.m. and I was still awake on 3 midnight, so 4 hours after session closed. I was still waiting and recording everything to show you what I did, so you can get an idea of what I do, because it is a very simple methodology that I'm using for trades like that. So sometimes I trade the breakout, try to cash it, then wait for the retest of that level, boom, scale in again. If it drops some more to get some sellers out, to get some buyers out of the market, I'm scaling in again and again, better price, and then boom, wait for the next move. And yeah, that's a nice thing. You're gonna learn that in the Genius Trading Masterclass course as well. Especially the rich split is something you need to check out, because it is a money management system that will definitely change your game. If you're using the rich split that you will find in the course, guys, when compound interest kicks in, it can go really fast. I have some students who are going crazy about the genius, about the rich split, especially Peter. I think Peter has won a giveaway. He wanted to be in the course, and then he had some luck. He was getting the course with some trading capital, and now he's just so pumped up, man. I feel like nearly every day he texts me message like, whoa bro, the rich split, man, it's so crazy, because you can do really a lot of money with a small risk. And yeah, this is a nice thing. If you know where and how to place your trades to maximize these gains, then this is where we talking about money, guys. All right, I think that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, enjoy your weekend, guys, and see you inside of the inner circle. Let's have some fun. I wish you a great day. Peace out.